I can't believe my eyes. I swear this must be happening in my mind. I've never seen a stranger sight in all my life. How can I survive? Or should I run or should I try to hide? And still a million other questions fill my mind. Amnesia, numbing memories like anesthesia. Other common side effects include: who are you? Who am I? Who are these other guys? Amnesia. All I know is that your pancreas is mine. I gotta get this right, cause if I don't, I'm probably gonna die. Who are these creatures and what brought them all to life? Some of them seem nice, and some have tried to bury me alive. And something tells me they want to sell me merchandise. Amnesia, numbing memories like anesthesia. Other common side effects include: who are you? Who am I? Who are these other guys? Amnesia. Till I'm pretty sure your pancreas is mine. It's all your fault, Other common side effects include: who are you? Who am I? Who are these other guys? Amnesia. Still I'm pretty sure your pancreas is mine.